So, removing my Chevy small block. Well, I've removed Volkswagen engines plenty of times before, old air-cooled ones, but iron block V8s is a whole other story. So everything I've disconnected. I've taken the exhaust manifolds are staying on at the moment, but obviously exhaust is off. Everything's disconnected. I've left the tranny in. I've taken the 6 bolts from the bell housing out. They were fun, but doable. The 3 bolts of the torque converter are off. All the linkage is off, and I've connected it up to a crane. I don't have a leveler, so I've cut 2 chains, one slightly longer than the other, to this. The wrap, that's my backup method. I've got a shackle in there because the chain's too big to go through the hook. There's the shackle, and this strap is just looped through as my backup emergency option. So yeah, this is my first time lifting one out. As long as you've got all the right equipment, it seems fairly straightforward. I've only got a 2-barrel Rochester on here, so I didn't feel comfortable using a lift plate because I felt like the studs were a bit too close together and I didn't get much sort of engine yaw control sort of front to back there. So I've made these little plates out of 1/4-inch steel plate, off-center drilled the 3/8 hole for the manifold bolts. I've put longer bolts in. I've got a full 2 to 2.5 width of the bolt into the thread, so they're in plenty way. And then I've got some M10 bolts here. This is actually threaded, so the bolts are threaded through, and I've just put a nut on the other side here to lock it off, just in case the thread got pulled through. So yes, I shall wait for my help to get here before I lift any further. At the moment it is loose, but I don't want to lift any more until I've got another pair of eyes here, so I'll just wait for that. Keep it where it is, it just comes up. Can't see that side, right, that side? Yeah. I'll just come forward a fraction. How much room have I got? You've got plenty of room up front. Not grinding on anything yet. Back. Clear, yeah. Probably do like this and let her down a little bit. I'll just probably another 2 inches or so, just to make sure this, when she comes down, she'll go forward, won't she? Yes, it will. That's fine. That's it, keep some